So here's Post.news app. I got access to it. Yes, I was on the waiting list. There are more than 100,000 people on the waiting list. It's one of the kind of Twitter alternative apps. And is it possible to install a Post.news app? So currently how it works, you can only add it like a home screen icon and then use it like an app. There is no Android app, there is no iOS iPhone app, so just open Post.news website in Safari, tap share icon, tap add to home screen and use it like an app. So here it is. I'll just go to home section. It's Post.news. Of course, you need to have access. Then I just tap on the share icon in the bottom, and then I can add it to home screen. And then this is like it is, and then I just tap add to the home screen. And then it will just appear as an icon. Sorry, I have so many apps, but then you will be able to probably search it like this, and then you just open up like an app. So something like that, and then of course probably you need to be logged in or something like that, but probably there are some bugs. It just worked fine for me, but you got the idea.